Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Talent Spiral. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the new course that is Advanced Software Testing Certification Program. In this course, you'll be learning so many things, so many training modules will be there. But before starting this course, I would like to inform you that if you're looking to change or switch in your career, or you really want to start from scratch, or you really want to learn something which is from IT field, so this is for you. So let's get started. Here we have our advanced software testing certification course where you'll be learning manual plus automation testing with projects. Also, you'll be having one-to-one mentorship, live projects, as well as the placement assistance. In this course, you'll be having 9 plus of training modules, 5 plus live projects, 16 plus AI tools and resources, 80 plus of hours of hands-on training where you will be learning each and everything from scratch. This training includes lifetime access, certification, live project, 100% job placement assistance where we are guiding you each and every point so that you can crack your interview. Course module where you'll be having course overview, who is this course for, curriculum, and the career opportunities you'll be having in your future. In the course overview, you'll be getting what is a software testing and what is this course for. So this is a software testing course which is a transformative opportunity to learn and gain extensive knowledge in the field of quality assurance. Who is this course for? If we talk about that, who is going to learn this? Alright, this is the basic question where we ask that who is this course for? So aspiring software tester, software developers, project managers, software engineers and test leads, and also IT professionals transitioning of testing, they may all learn this software testing course. In this curriculum, you will be getting introduction of software testing where you will be learning overview of software testing, fundamentals of software testing, roles and responsibilities of a software tester, how this makes a difference between a quality assurance, testing fundamentals, where all these things will be included, testing principle, objectives, testing levels, testing techniques, everything you will be learning in this testing fundamentals. After that, you will be learning test planning and documentation, where you will be learning how to form the documented form of QA report and how it is going to be proceed. Then after that, you will be moving forward with functional testing, non-functional testing, test automation, agile testing, and test management, where you will be learning test estimation and resource planning, how you will be planning all those things together, test matrix and the reporting part, test environment and test data management will be there. After completing this software testing program, you will be having a number of career opportunities. So you'll be having here software tester, quality assurance engineer, test automation engineer, test lead manager, quality assurance analyst, and many more. You'll be having number of opportunities after completion of this course. So enroll now for our specialization and certifications and post successful completion of the course on a talent spiral certification in software testing course. Do you still have questions? Comment down below, or you can also visit our website, that is talentspiral.com. See you in the next video.